Welcome back to the Taranis Q X7 series of videos. As always, look in the description for the link to it. In the last video, we added a SD card as well as all the SD card contents. And on those SD card contents, we also gained sounds. The problem though is the sounds are hideous.
Welcome to OpenTX.
Who wants to listen to that? So let's download a sounds pack, and you have many different options. I'm going to show you my favorite. In the last few videos, we used OpenTX.org to get the OpenTX companion, new firmware, the SD card contents, and much more. This time we will be using OpenTXU.org. If you go to version 2 and then version 2.2 resources, then come down, you will find the Amber Sounds Pack. So click here. I'm going to place it in my OpenTX folder that I made. And this time I will be making a folder, I'm just going to call it Sounds. So we can save. Looks like it's done, so let's go find it. Just like in the last few videos, you need a software or an application that can open these types of the .rar files. So I will do open with. I use 9-zip. You can get it from the App Store. Then click OK. In the top left, click Extract All. And choose the folder that you want to place it in. So I want it in my Sounds folder. Select Folder. Okay, once it's done, we want to close that out. We can delete this, don't need it. And now we get our Amber 22 Sounds folder. If we click in here once, we get Sounds. Click it again, we get EN, which is for English. Click it again, and then we get a bunch of these sounds. And then if you click on System, you get even more sounds. And I'm going to explain why there's two different folders with sounds in a later video when we go into custom sounds. But for now, let's just talk about how to get this into the Taranis. So let's hold these in, power it on, connect the USB cable. Like I said before, you don't have to use the cable. You can remove the SD card and just plug it directly into your computer. That works just fine. So if we go back to the Amber 22 folder and click it once, then we get the Sounds folder. This is what we need. So right click on Sounds, click Copy, then go to your SD card. For me it's drive E, but for you it might be in a different drive. Then I will actually delete this Sounds folder because this is that robotic woman's voice. So yeah, that's gonna go away. And it's gone. So now we can click Paste, and this is going to put in the new Sounds folder. Okay, it's done. So we can close this out. Well, we see our Sounds folder here. Close that out, disconnect the USB cable. Let's go to Exit. It's going to restart.
Welcome to OpenTX.
That sounds much better. And just like I said in the last video, it's going to be this other woman's voice for when you fly too far away. You get those RSSI warnings. Once we set up the voltage warnings and altitude warnings and everything else, it's going to be the same voice. And not only that, but I will make a separate video talking about custom sounds, to where you can actually do a text-to-speech generator or even record your own voice. And you can even download soundboards for your favorite TV show or whatever, and we'll talk about that later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.